What's up guys, Fahad here. I'm with Zah once again. And today, Zah is going to change out his suspension on his Kymco DTX360 from the stock suspension to a YSS suspension. So now, I'm going to test ride his bike first before he change, and then give you guys my thoughts and opinions on it. In the stock configuration, Zah's scooter, the Kymco DTX360 suspension is actually pretty decent. The rebound isn't that bad, and it doesn't get irritating when you go through the regulating strips. Going through this hump in front of the immigration quarters complex, it takes on the hard impact really well and absorbs most of it. I feel really comfortable, and there's no sudden jerk of the bike as I enter the hump and leave. Compared to most automatic scooters, typically due to the short suspension travel and small wheels, scooter shocks are quite bad, and you can really feel most of the impact and the sudden jerks on the handlebars, seat and feet. As for the DTX360, it's an adventure scooter. It takes on and absorbs the impact really well. There's no denying that I like the stock suspension of the DTX360. I'm not sure on how much a difference the YSS suspension will compare to the stock ones, but we shall see. Okay guys, so we are here in Motor Sport today, back at Zah's workshop where he always does his Kymco DTX360. And coincidentally, Motor Sport also carry the YSS brand of suspension as well. Today is the day he's going to change the suspension.
I'm looking forward to the change because, you know, I've been riding on stock, so there is a bit of uncomfortable.
Oh really?
You know,
to me it's okay.
Especially when you have a pillion with you, and then somehow my wife is a big size person. The suspension is very bumpy, you know.
Oh, it bogs down lah. Okay lah, maybe because I was riding alone so I gave good feedback on the stock suspension
I'm looking forward to the change in performance of the suspension.
So this is his suspension. Okay, the Eco line, and I think it's for downtown 200. So this is based on the length lah. Want to open? Okay. So, wow, gold color lah Zah. Gold color.
Exclusive. It looks exclusive because of the gold coloring, right? It really looks exclusive. You know, like Olin's kind of look, right?
Okay, so yeah, I think based on what Leon told us, they use the gold color because it doesn't blend in with the stock color lah.
Manual.
Okay, so this is the
warranty.
I think there's some stickers inside. Maybe you open.
I think this one is for
the adjustment. And then
what do they have?
Stickers. Yeah. And then I think instructional booklet lah.
Instruction manual.
Okay.
I can read Thai, no problem.
You can read Thai.
Home bra cone. Sawadee krap, kap kum kap. Kena tangkap.
This is the suspension that Zah will be fitting on his bike. It's for the downtown 200, but I understand that the length is the same. So they're going to fit the suspension on Zah's Kymco DTX360. Yeah. Now you can haul in now. You use YSS
Can show off. Can show off.
YSS
Sorry, my bike is a bit dirty because it's rainy season. It's very troublesome to wash I wash in the morning, afternoon rain. Wash in the morning, afternoon rain. So I come to a point, okay, just wait for this rainy season to be over, then I wash.
Wah, banyak kuat lah tu.
Tak mong lah.
Ha?
Tak mong sepanang. Ya, saya pun ya best. Best
Okay uncle, ini macam you mesti ajar saya macam mana mau setting dia punya suspension, kasih keras atau lembut tau.
Nanti lu pakai medium, tengok lu punya size. Jalan medium nanti tengok lu punya smooth. Kalau lompang tak lompang orang lah. Nanti dia buka sini, tulis pusing sini, kasih turun lah. Kasih turun, kasih keras sikit.
So ini first time pakai setting stock punya lah.
Baru medium tak kasih kerja dulu lah.
Oh.
Ini spana kasih masuk. Ini masuk, kasih pusing macam.
Oh.
Tengok dia apa lau lah, satu lau, dua lau, nanti testing nanti kita balik macam kuat sulah, tapi kuat sulah, tak jatuhnya.
Oh, tapi nak ketat-ketat kuat-kuat lah.
Sulah ketat macam sulah ketat, so okey,
Okey, faham.
Oh, macam gitu rupanya. Senang
Cinangnya. Ini cinang.
You see, your old suspension banyak berjasa.
Totally different lah.
Yeah, the setup is different. It's upside down, I think, the YSS. Finally, congratulations. New suspensions, Whoa. Okay, Sa, congrats on your new suspension. So you're gonna be the first one to use it. I'll see you in a few days.
I hope this time around the performance will be much better. My ride will be much smoother and not so back pain lah. No, back pain, you know.
Then you can share your first impressions on it. Riding Za's bike after the suspension swap, it's safe to say the difference is huge. Firstly, handling, much improved. I can easily lean into the curves and corners effortlessly than previously. The impact is also improved compared to the stock. It's much smoother and comfortable, and you barely feel the tiny bumps and road imperfections. Going through the regulators and hum in front of the immigration quarters, it's more bearable compared to the stock suspension. The rebound is also minimal as you're going out of it. On rough roads, the new shocks absorb the impact really well. I'm pretty pleased and surprised that a rear shock change can make a lot of difference in the riding comfort and handling. It's no wonder scooter riders quickly change out their stock suspensions. Also remember, the preference or feedback from me doesn't translate the same for you. Every rider would have their own preferences, and your experience may differ from mine. Okay, so now it's my turn to ask Zah. What's your opinion on the new suspension versus the stock one?
Wow, it's like totally day and night, you know. The difference when I ride with the stock suspension, I could feel every bumps on the road, you know. With the new suspension, the impact from all the shocks is reduced, you know. And when I ride on the highway, even on pre-loaded setting, the factory setting, it's really smooth. You know, especially during the corners, it really holds my line very well.
Yeah, I noticed that too.
Right. And then during stretch of highways, you have very minimal bumpiness. And then especially because if I ride with my wife is a plus size person, right? The preloaded setting, it really can sustain the weight.
So it's not too bouncy as well.
Not too bouncy. Even on the highways, it's not like bumpy, you know.
Okay. Not bad lah. So it's a good purchase in your personal opinion.
In my personal opinion, it's a good purchase. I haven't played with the hardest setting and the softer setting yet, but because I find that this is just nice enough for me. It's not too hard, and then also it's not too soft.
It's just perfect, Bellissimo. Yeah. Okay lah. So if you guys are keen on purchasing the YSS suspension, please note that Chong Aik International is the only authorized distributor in Singapore for YSS.
And they offer 1-year warranty. Beware of counterfeit YSS shocks absorber and always look out for the code of authenticity number 651 before purchase.
Once again, we'd like to reiterate that only YSS products with the code of authenticity number 651 will be entitled to the warranty.
So you can send Chong Aik a DM to their social media pages, or you can contact the number below to find your nearest authorized YSS dealer.
Yes. And alternatively, you guys can also do a walk-in purchase at 34 Desker Road and have it installed at Motor Sport, which is Chong Aik's workshop arm.
Workshop arm, yes.
Yeah.
Whatever model you're riding, whatever bike you're riding, you can check out with them and ask if there is an available suspension for your bike.
Yes. So yeah, that's it for the vlog. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Ride on, 10 rounds.